We said that rational numbers can be written in the form a over b, where a is a numerator, which is an integer, and b is a denominator, which is an integer. And remember that terminating decimals are rational, so it means they can be written in the form a over b. So how do we write terminating decimals as fractions? Let's start with 2,5. So what you do, the whole number, which is 2, remains in front of the fraction, so it's going to be 2, and then the number after the decimal point becomes the numerator of the fraction, and then now the denominator is a power of 10, so it means it can be 10, can be 100, 1,000, 10,000, depending on the number of decimals. The number of decimals is equivalent to the number of zeros for that power of 10. So since we have one number after the decimal point here, so it means we must have what? 1 0 here. So it means it's going to be 10 like this. So this is the same as 2, and then we can reduce 5 over 10 to its simplest form is 1 over 2. We can even change it to an improper fraction. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is 5 over 2. Right, and then 3,250, we can do the same thing here and say we are having 3, the whole number, and then 250 is the numerator. Then the denominator is going to be a power of 10 with 3 zeros, so it means it's 1,000. So it's 250 over 1,000, which is equal to 3. Then 250 over 1,000 is 1 over 4. Then we can even change it to an improper fraction. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So it's 13 over 4. Okay. And then the last one, 0.25. So our whole number here is 0. Okay. So 0. And then we have the fraction. This is going to be the numerator. 25 is the numerator. And then it's going to be divided by what? By 100. Because say the number of decimal places is equivalent to the number of zeros. So it's 25 over 100, which is 1 over 4. This is how we write terminating decimal as fractions. Terminating decimals are what? Are rational because they can be written in the form a over